This is the smaller version. Mama koshe yi. Look at how long it is. Well done. This is the bigger one. The bigger one. Where are the tools? Okay, let me see. All those things that you are using. Yes. You will now wind it here. Is it only that color you have?
Yes.
For now. What of that one? The same color. Okay. Where are you rolling it into?
We are rolling it inside.
Okay. What's the name of this machine?
Engine.
Engine. Engine. Elego. Omugu. Omugu. Then this one is the pedal. Oh, wow. What of that iron one? The iron one that is here. This one. Asha. Oh, wow. It's interesting. I'll come and learn this work. They've told me about the work. So when I have money. What of this stuff that is here?
It's cutter.
What is it for?
It's like this.
It's like what?
Like this.
Okay. Is they put thread on it? Okay. Wow. This way you are learning. Have you started doing this one? Oh, wow. This shiny one, did you know their names? What's their names?
It's that one they are doing.
Okay, this wool, they don't have names. Wow. They use tire to hold it too. See how long it is. The journey is great. Very interesting work. Very lovely. Very interesting. Good morning. Very interesting. I just enjoy myself. Let me show the final product. This is the final product when you finish. It will be long. Can you see? This one is for smoker. Ẹ̀kúṣẹ́. Àwọn tó kún yóò wà ní. Daddy, can you do this too? You have retired. Again. It's very interesting. Okay, the tire will be moving too. Wow. Okay. Daddy, you two can do it. Daddy, please, I need you people to help me. How much can I pay to learn this thing? Alone. Tell you about learn. Okay. So I start. Mo ṣì máa sanwó.